across the country. The tournament will run through 8 legs. Each game is played with 3 players on the court, on one half court. Games last for 10 minutes or until a team reaches 21 points. From there, teams battle through the next rounds until the Elite 8. The winning teams from each leg will advance to the finals at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium on August 8, 2026. Right after the championship game, the champions will battle it out in a special exhibition match against a Korean celebrity team. And the action doesn't stop there. The Korean celebrity team will also go head-to-head with the Philippines Pro Team and the Philippines Celebrity Team on the same day. One goal, to be the champion. 2 million pesos total prize pool. This is 3x3.
감사합니다. 빨라봐.
Aquino Stadium on August 8th, there will be an exhibition match with the Korean artists.
지금 말씀드릴 수는 없고요.
We can't tell yet who are the artists.
Very secret, 예. 일단 한국의 배우, actor,
But there will be actors,
and singer,
and there will be singer,
and model.
and then model.
이렇게 저희가 팀을 감독과 함께
We'll try to make a team out of those Korean personalities together with Korean
Even
coaches.
if I have a scheduled calendar for today, just to make sure that I will be able to grace this occasion. As you very well know, there's a huge engagement right now with the success of 3x3, not just in our country, but also in the entire planet. 3x3 now is an Olympic sport. And what a good way for our friends from PhilAb, of course, together and in partnership with the group of Ms. Rose and of course Sir Edward Aquino, that you are able to do the things that we love to do also from a federation standpoint. And that is to increase the enthusiasm in 3x3 basketball. This is what I always tell people that I talk to, specific to the sport of 3x3. It is not a sunset platform. Hindi yung laos na kayo sa basketball, saka lang po kayo magti-3x3. Hindi yung tapos na kayo sa 5-on-5, this is the only time for you to get into 3x3 basketball. We're trying to do away with that kind of a mindset. 3x3 basketball is a platform we're in. It will improve your skill set as a basketball player. If you want to be part of a 5-on-5 team, it will again be advantageous for you to do a lot of 3x3 basketball. And more than that, our grassroots development is deep in such a way that you will have an opportunity to wear your national colors as members of Gilas Pilipinas basketball team and hopefully one day make it to the Olympics. So very simple pathways for us, and that is why I am so encouraged that with this kind of a tournament, we will continue to bring enthusiasm to the sport, excite our grassroots people, excite our youth to get into basketball, specifically 3x3. And I just hope that one day, these players that we develop will become Chris Calago in the future, Cyrus Baguio in the future, and of course, Jeff Chan in the future. Thank you very much once again, Ms. Rose. Thank you very much to everyone who graced this occasion. And I'm certain that I will be able to visit you in your opening tournament. Thank you very much once again. At mabuhay ang mga Pilipino at ang mga Koreano. Salamat.
Project is really very special to me. I believe that Edward Aquino knows this. I'm addressing him as Sir Edward. When a day before I met the accident, the last people I spoke with or met with are the team of Sir Robin, especially Ray. Thank you so much. When I became lucid after my recovery, the first file that I work on my laptop is all about this 3x3 event. Why? Because I believe and I was touched really by how Sir Robin, a pure Korean, loved the Philippines. And thank you for your love for the Philippines, Tatang Robin. Thank you so much. Second, I would like to thank the Executive Director of the Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas, Ma'am Erica Caitlin D. 2 hours prior to our arrival, she was able to release an endorsement letter to all the zone regional head of SBP across the country, endorsing this Philippine Champions Cup 3x3 event as an official SBP event. So thank you for that, Ma'am Erica. Thank you very much, SBP sa mga basketball ng Pilipinas. Third, gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa lahat ng media that are present right now. You know, when we were in the planning stage for this event, ang una ko pong sinabi kay Tatang Robin is, we will not be successful without the help and support of Philippine sports media. I've been in the PBA, I've been in this industry for nearly 3 decades now. I've experienced handling PCCL, PBA, NBL. We've had international 3x3 event that we staged in 2018 and 2019 where we sent Philippine team to Beijing and Guangdong to compete in an international event, and all this sports event was made successful because of our media friends. Maraming salamat po. Ngayon hindi lang mainstream media ang importante na rin po ngayon ng mga content creators. Pwede mo palakpakan natin yung media friends natin na nandito ngayon. Thank you very much, and I believe with us working with you will definitely make this event very successful. Fourth, I would like to thank FILA. Thank you so much, sir. Annyeong sa'yo. Thank you so much for believing in the Philippines. You know, there's a lot of other countries na pwede naman nilang pag-investan ng product nila, ng money and all that. Sabi nga ni Tata Robin, maraming pera sa 3x3 event na to. But, you know, they chose the Philippines, and for that, allow me to thank you. Thank you so much. Fifth, you might be wondering why we have the Negros Slasher, Jeff Chan, and the Cyrus Baguio here. Not only because Coach Jeff is a coach in our NBL team and Cyrus is my kumpare from way back. It is because they form part of the basketball legend team to compete with the champion and the Korean artist together with Willie Miller and Rani Del Ocampo, to be coached by Coach Ronnie Gonzalo. So, nireveal ko na, sorry. The Korean artists, I cannot reveal the celebrity artists. We have a list, but of course, until matapos natin yung legs natin, makarating tayo sa Elite 8, dumating tayo sa Ninoy Aquino, then we will be advising our media friends kung sino yung mga available na celebrities. This will also not be successful without the support of all my sponsors way back PBA days, from HWL, from Glutamax Men, from Proline Sports. We've been together for 8 years already. My other sponsors who are here, and of course, our partners who will be doing or staging this event together with NBL. Of course, for Region 1, allow me to identify the region. So Region 1, Pangasinan, La Union, and Baguio, including the Cordillera, is under Coach Chris Calagio and Coach Sonny De Jesus. For Region 2, Nueva Vizcaya, Quirino, Isabela, Tuguegarao, and Cagayan, under Coach Ronnie Amoncio. For Pampanga, Nueva Ecija, and Zambales, under the SBP Region 3, Zone Head, Bulacan, Metro Manila, Laguna, Cavite, Mindoro, Quezon, and Rizal under Coach Roy Marvin Gale and Coach Francis Natividad. Region 5 under Engineer Solomon Ngo of Kamsur Express and Cebu. So again, thank you so much for being present in spite that PSC also has their own press con today. Maraming salamat. And we hope to see you all in the games. Maraming salamat.
안녕하십니까. 먼저 귀한 시간을 내어 자리를 빛내주신 SBP 3대3 프로그램 헤더 미스터 라이언, NBL 필리핀 대표 미스 로즈, NBL 필리핀 부대표 및 3대3 필리핀 챔피언컵 운영총괄 미스터 에드워드, 기자 및 인플루언서 분들께 진심으로 감사드립니다. 저는 이번 대회 메인 스폰을 맡게 된 르피랩 남하림 대표입니다. 저희 르피랩은 대한민국의 국가연구소 기업을 바탕으로 헬스케어 및 라이프스타일 제품을 만들고 브랜드 런칭한 회사입니다. 주요 제품으로는 컨디션 리커버리를 위한 르피랩 스프레이와 에너지 음료, 선크림, 스포츠 오일 등 헬스케어 관련 제품을 만들고 있습니다. 저는 한국을 넘어 글로벌 스타 마케팅을 통해 시장을 확대하고자 노력하고 있습니다. 필리핀들의 농구에 대한 열정을 잘 알고 있습니다. 그것은 단순한 스포츠 그 이상입니다. 저희 르피랩이 이번에 열정의 한복판에 3대3 농구 대회를 후원하게 된 것을 매우 영광스럽게 생각하고 있습니다. 본 대회가 필리핀 젊은 여러분들이 참가하여 즐거운 행사가 되기를 희망합니다. 이번 대회를 통해 르피랩은 필리핀과 지속적인 협조를 기대하고 빠르고 박진감 넘치는 3대3 농구처럼 저희 기업도 끊임없이 발전하는 기업이 되겠습니다. 그리고 필리핀 전역에 긍정적인 에너지가 전달될 수 있도록 따뜻한 관심과 생생한 보도를 부탁드립니다. 다시 한번 참석해 주신 분들에게 건승을 빌며 코트 위에 펼쳐질 드라마 같은 드라마를 기대해 주시길 부탁드립니다. 감사합니다.
감사합니다. 사인해 주시고, 네. 자, 필리핀 농구의 발전을 위해서 르피랩.
Once again, thank you so much for joining us today.
Okay, Korean style. Okay, Korean style is fighting. You know, Korean always fighting, right? Yes. Laban. Okay, laban. Okay, laban. Okay. Later. Okay. First pose is laban. Okay. And for the Philippine 3x3 Champions Cup, laban. Laban. Everybody laban is laban. Ako laban, ikaw laban. Okay. Laban. Second is the party time. Okay, excuse me. Okay, we love basketball. Okay, we love.